Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today, as always, we're gonna start with the DXY. So today I only had one trade. Well, I had two, but one it's just testing, so it doesn't count as a trade really because I didn't take it, of course. But yeah, I had a trade today. I have to study some things, like for example, when we have a break of structure out of timing, like on Asia or for example on like before New York, because I think that usually these breaks of structure are fake. At least New York, I think so. And I want to study it, but I have no fucking time. Hopefully, I will finish some things this week, and I'm gonna be able to study a little bit more and find some time to understand these things and see if it's like that. At least this will let me put some rules and take fewer trades and fewer losses, of course. But well, so we will start the day with the XY. We had this previous daily high and round liquidity in H1 here, and the previous daily low down and previous weekly low down here. In this case today we didn't take any of them, so we had no really a direction on the DXY. Then on Euro USD we had this round liquidity in H1, previous weekly high and previous daily high, and previous daily low and round liquidity in H1. So we had no trades here on EU, no opportunities to enter. Instead we took the round liquidity in H1. And we had a break of structure here, but I'm not looking for any trade right now there. Okay, then GU, I was looking for sales on GU after taking this round liquidity in H1 and after taking the previous daily high and previous weekly high. So in the morning we had this movement to the downside, taking the round liquidity in 5, no break of structure here. Then it went up, breaking taking all this price action again. Break of structure before the New York Open, which it was a fake one, as you can see. That's what I'm trying to say. This is not the first time that happened to me, so that's why I want to study it. And we had here the confirmation out of timing, so this time I didn't take it. We almost had the confirmation here, but we didn't. Okay, and then it went up, leaving a fucking huge wick here to then go down and just take the target down here. So fuck me, no trades, hopefully, but well. USD JPY, in this case we took the so we had this round liquidity on H1 here. The previous daily high was here. Then we had previous weekly low, previous daily low, and liquidity on H1 here. So here we have a strong liquidity and then previous weekly high. So I was first looking for sells, but we had the break of a structure here, leaving a wick to the upside. And this is one of the strategies I'm trying to look for, like a reversal for continuations, having a break of structure on M1 and then engulfing candle. Okay, so it's just break of structure, mitigation or round liquidity M1 and engulfing candle. So yeah, I entered it down there, but what? I count it like this, or maybe with the spread like this, and then break even and partial here with the Asia high, and then well, it came down. It would have been a break even, and finally a ATP. Okay, so I'm just gonna start taking notes about it, which is pretty interesting. Okay, and then it continued going up. We had the break of structure here, round liquidity on M1 in the timing, but the only problem is that it broke the round liquidity one with wicks, and I don't trade if it breaks it with wicks, okay, because I need a clean break. And then we took this round liquidity on M5, and I was waiting for this round liquidity on M5 to be taken. Just to confirm all the movement, and I thought we left some liquidity here, so I was waiting for this to be taken. It didn't take it, maybe the break evens or whatever, and finally it went down. Okay, so no trades for me here too. USDCHF, well, like DXY and Euro USD, we had no liquidity taken on the higher time frame, so my rules say that I can't look for any entry here, and well, I didn't. Okay. And finally, USD CAD. I had a stop loss here today. One again. I like the trade anyways, but the thing here is that we had the break of structure to the upside on Asia, of course, and then we had the run liquidity M5 down here, which is a proper confirmation. And I don't really feel bad because I usually take these trades, but well, engulfing candle here, covering the extreme, and I expected at least the 1-to-1, but the price couldn't go there, and it knifed down. Finally, we took the previous weekly low here. We had the break of structure, and then it took the run liquidity M5, of course, out of timing. And then it went down, mitigating the extreme. I didn't enter here as a, well, we already took all the liquidities, so I didn't feel comfortable. We had this liquidity here, but well, it mitigated that, and it went up to the R5. I think I usually trade these trades, but I need some round liquidity, and in this case we took it, so we had our movement. And for me it was risky to trade this, so yeah, I just feel okay with that. Okay, so well, I hope you liked the video. I hope I could have some profits someday, and well, see you as always. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.